Hey, my name's Keegan and I'm from the Gundi, and yeah, got this new skimboard today. It is Friday the something, and yeah, I just got back from Hayden's house. Was not expecting it to come this fast. Like, I thought it was shipping from America, but it's shipped from Melbourne. Must have had a outlet down there, but yeah, it is from DB Skimboards, and it's DB, what is it? DB EP Pro 2012. So that's a skimboard. It's a wood one. I felt like getting it because it was pretty cheap. Yeah, let's get into it. And the cost of it was 150, like, because it like paid in American dollars, so it ended up paying 160 with postage. But yeah, it's alright. Alright, see what this tucker will open. Yeah. Oh, what's another box on it? It's got the wire. Bit of a scratch on it, but it should be alright. See, there's a scratch there, if you can see it. Just there. It's just a bit of a mark, but it should be alright. Turn it over. It's got the nice killer whale on it. I like the pattern on it, and it's good because you don't need wax for this one. It's just got the foam cushion pad. Let's just give this a better look from here. Doing this on my pool table because it's big space. And yeah, EP Pro 2012. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, soft. It's like velvet. It feels like velvet. Yeah. Some stuff in here. It is the promo version, and it's standard. And yeah, there's all that stuff. It's a medium size. 170. What's that? Stone or something. I can't remember. But yeah, there's all the information you want to know about. Not to leave it outside and stuff, and warranty and stuff. But yeah, this has been the Gundis, Keegan from the Gundi, and signing off.